Alright, in this video, we intend to evaluate a function. Let us say we have f of x is equal to, say, 3x plus 1. And we have g of x is equal to, say, x minus 2 over 4. These are the two functions, and we want to find, say, number one, we want to evaluate f of 2, and number two, we intend to evaluate, say, g of negative 3. All right, so let's look at evaluating f of 2. Because we're doing f of 2, then we were looking at the f function. So let's write the f function. It says f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Our intention is to find f of 2, which means we want to put 2 in the place of x. So we're going to do substitution. We're going to substitute 2 where x is. So 3 times x would become 3 times 2 plus 1. And this is equal to 6 plus 1, which finally would give us a value of 7. So f of 2 gives us 7. And if we want to know what this really means, it simply means that if we're dealing with the coordinate, when x is 2, y is 7. This is what it really means. This is the ordered pair. All right, let's now look at g of negative 3. All right, so in the g function says g of x is equal to, so g of x is equal to x minus 2 all over 4. And we intend to find g of negative 3. All right, so let us just quickly look at it. So here's a function, and we want to find g of negative 3. So g of negative 3 will simply equal to, we're going to put negative 3. So if I want to do so, we're going to put negative 3 right here in the g function. So we're looking at negative 3 minus 2 over 4. And then we're looking at negative 5 over 4. This is g of negative 3. So g of negative 3 gives us negative 5 over 4. All right, let's look at some more functions, right? Let's look at some more functions, and let's see if we could squeeze in 2 more. All right, let's say we have h of x. H of x is equal to 4x squared minus 2. And we have another function, k of x. And k of x is equal to, say, x squared minus 1. Let us evaluate 1, h of 0, right? H of 0 is simply plugging in 0 in the h function where the x is. So we're looking at 4 times 0 square minus 2. So basically 0 square is still 0 times 4, it is still 0. So answer would have been 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. H of 0 is minus 2. Now let's look at, let us say we want to find k of 5. We're going to plug in 5 in the k function where x is. So it is 5 square minus 1, 25 minus 1 equal 24. Alright, so k of 5 is 24. Alright, so basically this is what it is when we're dealing with evaluating functions. Thank you.